Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You could see that I have one eyebrow done and the other one untouched. I already got my base on, highlight, contour, all that except blush and highlight. But this is the video that I want to come to you to show you how to do an eyebrow when your eyebrow is already bushy. Okay, so want to see this tutorial, just keep on watching. Okay guys, eyebrow on my right side is done, this side undone. I just want to come with you with a tutorial to show you that, because there's a lot of you. I just want to come to you because there's a lot of people that already have bushy eyebrows, and when they're filling out their eyebrows, they are like darkening it even more, and it's like looking so blocky. I'm sorry, like it really does. I want to show you that you don't have to block out your eyebrows. You could just get it done clean and neat without filling it in when you already have hair. It is for people that don't have hair, understand, like coloring it in after like outlining it. But when you have hair, stop coloring in your eyebrows. Stop it, because you're blocking out any skin space, because you have your hairs sticking out, but then when you color it in, you're blocking those individual space where your skin is showing through, and it's giving you less of a eyebrow look, because you cannot see those hairs anymore. You already blocked out every space in between those hairs already. So stop blocking out your eyebrows when you have hair already. Just outline it. I'm going to show you how to outline it and fill it in without blocking it out, because this will just make your eyebrow look more like a freaking natural eyebrow. You can see I definitely have hairs already, and I'm just brushing it upward where it does naturally grow. And I'm also pushing the tail down because the hair falls down, but the front of the hair falls up. It grows up. So I'm definitely pushing it up and bringing the tail down. Now I'm gonna use my pencil. Use any skinny pencil you have, and you're just gonna outline the bottom. Nothing too fancy, just gonna outline the bottom, because you can see I want here very, very clean. And I'm gonna outline my tail because I want my tail very straight, even though it has those hair, but I want it because the hairs are not straight line. I'm drawing that line to have it straight at the tail. Now I'm gonna come to the top. I'm not gonna start right in front, but I'm gonna start at the edge, and you can see all the hairs sticking out, but I want a straight line. This is where you actually outline your eyebrows. So I'm gonna pull it to the top and outline, bringing it to the tail also. I'm gonna brush the hair in place to define the hair, so you could I want those hairs to show, because I want the eyebrows to be hair-like. You do not want your eyebrows all blocky, so you need to brush your hair straight in line so they could stay straight in line, and you're just outlining the bottom. See? And then you're gonna outline the top. You could always bring down the hair to help you outline it better. Then you're gonna push the hair back into the direction they grow, so they could stay in that place. This is where a eyebrow gel will help it stay in place. So now that you can see the outline of the bottom, I do not want to see that line, so I'm gonna draw hair-like strokes just at the bottom to remove that line demarcation so that it won't just look like a line just to the very front, because you do want the line at the rest of the eyebrows. Okay, now I'm going to use my spoolie and bring the front of my eyebrows the opposite direction to make it look more bushy, because when you make your eyebrows the front of the hair more bushy, it looks more natural because they do grow on the upward position. See how it makes a difference? And now I'm just going to outline thick concealer, and I'm just going to highlight at the high point of my eyebrow, not the entire bottom, but just at the high point, and bring it forward a little bit, and this will just help clean it. And cleaning all the way to the tail. This is the perfect opportunity to use your concealer to make the tail as sharp as possible, because the eyebrow just looks so much pleasant when the tail is as sharp as possible. And this is where you pull down your concealer to help it blend. You can use your finger if you want to help the rest of the concealer blend into your skin. And voila, you got a clean brows that are not filled in, just outlined and cleaned up at the bottom, and it looks like you put in so much work when you did not. So hope you guys like this quick tutorial on eyebrows, and make sure and let me know if this eyebrow tutorial was helpful. It was I feel like it's very helpful for people that want more natural brows and they need to stop blocking it in. Let me know if this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on your notification, and importantly, don't forget to comment, because I definitely want to see what you guys think, good or bad. Let your girl know, okay? I know that is Carly B thing, but I'm borrowing it because she is the bomb and I love her, and I love doing it. So don't judge me, okay? Just appreciate. So let me know, and I'll definitely catch you on my next video. Okay, bye.